अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 87, topic number 151. सामानाधिकरण्य संबंधः तावत् यथा सोऽयं देवदत्तः इत्यस्मिन् वाक्ये तत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त वाचक सशब्दस्य देवदत्त वाचक सशब्दस्य एतत्काल विशिष्ट देवदत्त वाचकायां शब्दस्य चैकस्मिन् पिण्डे तात्पर्य संबंधः तथा च तत्त्वमसीति वाक्येऽपि परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य वाचक तत्पदस्य परोक्षत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य वाचकत्वं पदस्य चैकस्मिन् चैतन्ये तात्पर्य संबंधः. Now we are seeing the Mahavakya in the form of desuperimposition. Adhyaropa apavadabhyam nishprapancham prapanchaten. The method of teaching is superimposition, and second method is desuperimposition. Adhyasa, adhyaropa and apavada. Superimposing the nama rupa on Brahman, and for some time the Upanishad accept as though they are real. Finally Upanishad concludes, what you are seeing, that superimposition is a wrong perception. Because of ignorance, you see the nama rupa upon Brahman. Just as you see the snake upon the rope because of semi-darkness. Really speaking, there is no snake at all. But for your perception, until you get full light, it is real, even though it is not there. Similarly, the universe, nama, rupa, names and forms, bodies you are seeing, it is not true because of your self-ignorance, atma ajnanam. It appears to you as real. Upanishad says, why I have to talk about this? If you give reality to that non-existent world, nama, rupa, if you give reality to that nama, rupa world, which is not really existent, Because of your ignorance only you are seeing. That Nama Rupa Prapancha for you it is real, and its problems are also real for you. Your suffering will continue. Life become miserable. If you want okay, I am very happy with this miserable life. I love flower also, thorns also. Rose flower also I like. Thorns also, let them be there. Okay. You need not come to Vedanta class. You can continue in the same world. No? Pleasure and pain, success and failure, all you can continue. If you are able to withstand with that pain also. By strengthening your mind, somehow I will manage it. Manage. I am not bothering about you. If you are not interested in that pain, I cannot withstand with that pain. I want to be free from pain. Then listen to me. Shastra says. To such a person, Shastra address, not all people. Shastra never address all people. Shastra address only such people who want to be free from sorrow. For such a person, Mahavakya Vichara, through desuperimposition, that apavada must be done. It is not for just intellectual gymnastics or scholarship. We are not studying for scholarship's sake. I cannot withstand with this samsara, janana, marana, chakra, vyadhi, jara, roga, all this pain. These are the consequences, whatever am I facing. Is there an end na Mahavakya Jnanam? How to get it? So you have to follow the Paddhati. That methodology you have to follow. To arrive at that Aham Brahma Asmi. Purely intellectual cognition. This is. It's a knowledge. Therefore, what is the method? How this body-mind complex I am not, I the consciousness enclosed as though in this body-mind complex. This is the truth. I am not able to believe it. Therefore, look into this Vakya, Mahavakya, Tat, Tvam, Asi. How it works. What is the meaning of Tat? What is the meaning of Tvam? What is the meaning of Asi? You are that. You are not body. You are not mind. You are not the intellect. You are not any other sense organs also. That means what? I am something else other than these 5 koshas. What is that? I am the consciousness. Really speaking, because of which these 5 koshas are alive. They are sentient. You are able to enjoy the bliss through this body also. That consciousness only is the substratum. That Tat Paramatma. You are. You means which you? Shastra showing the finger to the not gross body, subtle body, causal body. Beyond Sariratraya Vilakshanam, you are. And that Shastra says you have to apply that methodology here. How to do that? All these 3 types of relationship. You have to relate yourself with that Paramatma. I am that Paramatma. Give up all relations. All relations are not real. You are thinking they are real. So, see this relationship first. That Paramatma who is pervading the substratum of this universe is you are Jivatma. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also we saw beautifully in the last class, Jivatma eva Paramatma, Paramatma eva Jivatma. So subtle subject matter this is Samanadhikarinyam and Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha, Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Relations are three types. How you have to apply, we are seeing in the last class. Samanadhikaranya Sambandha Tavat. Firstly, you see the Samanadhikaranya Sambandha. In that, what is the example Upanishad gives? Soyam Devadattaha. That Devadatta, Saha, I am this Devadatta. That Devadatta alone is this Devadatta. Both of them are not different, one and the same. Saha also talking about this Devadatta only. I am means this Devadatta. So Saha, grammar I need not explain, no? Saha, I am. Okay, last class I have done it. Iti asmin vakye, in this vakyam. Asmin vakya means I am soyam devadattaha vakye. In this vakyam, tatkala vishishta devadattaha. That devadatta belong to that tatkala. That time, 60 years back, devadatta, tatkala, that time. And vachaka sashabdasya. What is that vachaka shabdam? Sashabdam. Saha iti. Saha connotes what? He. He means what? Who is aparoksham? Saha. That person. He. Not you. I am talking. He, that Devadatta. Sashabda means Saha Shabdasya. Etat kala Vishishta Devadatta. Vishishta means what? That Devadatta who is enclosed in this body. That Devadatta body is so young. Oh, that Devadatta in Kumbhakonam. Okay, 60 years back, very young and very active. And this Devadatta, Etat Kala Devadatta is very old, half of the body also bending and have third leg also. And no pallu at all, no hair on the head at all, full of wrinkles. That the young Devadatta is so attractive, old Devadatta is not at all attractive. Because old, no? So not attractive. So that Visishta Devadatta, this Visishta Devadatta. But Devadatta is one. That Devadatta, this Devadatta, features are appearing entirely different. Lot of strength he was having, but no strength now. These are all incidental changing factors. Who did not change? Devadatta did not change. The person did not change, same person. The etat kala vishishta devadatta vachakaha ayam shabdaha. This time Devadatta enna peru ayam Devadatta. Inda Devadattan. Anda Devadattan. Anda inda Devadattan vande Samanadhikaranam. Samanadhikaranam is same case. That also Saha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. I am also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, first case. And singular. So this is the Visheshanam for Devadatta. What Devadatta? Saha Devadattaha. Saha is a Visheshanam to that Devadatta. I am is a Visheshanam to this Devadatta. So both are in one case. Samana Adhikaranam. Visa Samana Adhikaranam means the words relationship, that is called Pada Sambandha. Tat Pada and Ayam Pada here. That Saha is a Padam. Ayam is a Padam. Both the words are in Samana Adhikaranam. Same loka. Adhikaranam means what? They are both of them are talking about the one Devadatta, ada Samana Adhikaranam. Saha also in Devadatta. I am also talking about Devadatta, ada Samana Adhikaranyam. Ekasmin Pinde Tatparya Sambandha. Ekasmin Pinda, who is that Ekasmin? Devadatta. That person, individual. Tatha, similarly. Example over. Devadatta is very nice. What about you? Tat tvam, tvamasi, tattvamasi. Vakye api, even in this Mahavakya Tattvamasi, which is occurring in Chandogyopanishad, Parokshatvad Visishta Chaitanya, Tat Paramatma. Paramatma is Paroksha or Aparoksha? Paroksha. Is that Tat means that itself shows Paroksham. Tat Shabdam. Paroksha, Vishishta Chaitanyam. What Chaitanyam? Paramatma, Ishvara is in this body. Ishvara means what? Sukshma, Sthula Prapancha, Sukshma Prapancha, Karana Prapancha. Ishvara is total level. That is called Vishishtam. Total level. Vishishta Chaitanyam. Chaitanyam plus Maya Sahitam Brahma is called Ishvara. Ishvara is nothing but Karana Prapancham. So, Karana Prapancham, Karana Sukshma Prapancham and Sthula Prapancham all put together Visishtam. That is Tatpada, Tatpadasya. Then, Tvam-padasya Aparokshatvad Vishishta Chaitanyam. You, when I am talking, you are also Vishishta Chaitanyam. Vishishta means what? Associated with body-mind complex. Chaitanyam associated with body-mind complex is Vishishta Chaitanyam. Tat Vishishta Chaitanyam Paramatma. Tvam Vishishta Chaitanyam Jivatma. Okay. Vishishta Chaitanyam, Saha Sarvagnaha, you are Alpagnaha. That Devadatta was young. This Devadatta is old. But adjectives are changing. Similarly, Ishvara is Sarvagnaha, omniscient. You are Alpagnaha. Analum, this Alpagnatvam and Sarvagnatvam is because of Upadhi. Our total, I am individual. That's why my efficiency is less, very limited. But his Shakti is powerful, overlordship. Our Swami, nan Asami. He is the ruler of the world. I am the ruler of my own family. Family rule panna mudila. Kashtapattinu. So how can I become he and all these things you remove? This overlordship and Alpagnathvam, you keep aside intellectually. Our inner essence and your inner essence is Chaitanyam. And the Vishishtamana Gunangal Kunjanera put Tali Vichid. Upon essence and Chaitanyam, Chaitanyam. Tatpada Chaitanyam, Tvampada Chaitanyam. It says, Vachika Tvampadasya cha ekasmin chaitanye tatparyam. I am not interested in talking about that omniscient, alpicient. That omniscient is an omniscient because of Chaitanya. Alpicient is an alpicient because of Chaitanya. Tatparyam edula irukku? Chaitanyam nada irukka. And the Chaitanyam da in the Chaitanyam. Nee and the Chaitanyam da. So, Tat Chaitanyam, you are Chaitanyam are one and the same. There is no omniscience, there is no alpicient. This Sarvagnatvam, Alpagnatvam belong to Upadhi. Upadhi is temporary. Without this Chaitanyam, Upadhi can exist? No. This is temporary. Even Upadhi goes, but Chaitanyam exists. So that which exists all the time must be real. That which comes and goes is not real. This unreal coming, going, body, mind, complex, why you are taking real, and why you are taking its problems also real? That real Paramatma I am. Ani adada meaning Tatparyam. Chaitanya Tatparyam, natu Ishware Tatparyam, Jive Tatparyam Nasti. So you have to own up, Aham Brahma Asmi. Further he explains in the next topic. We will read that. Topic number 152. Visheshana Visheshya Bhava Sambandhastu Yatha Tatraiva Vakyem Sashabdartha Tatkala Vishishtam Devadattasya Ayam Shabdartha Tat Etatkala Vishishta Devadattasya Vishishta Devadattasya Cha Anyonya Veda Vyavartakatayam Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaham Tatha Atrapim Vakyem Tatpadartha Parokshatvadim Vishishta Chaitanyasya Tvam Padartha Aparokshatvadim Vishishta Chaitanyasya Cha Anyonya Bheda Vyavartakatayam Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaham. Now second relationship we are seeing. Visheshana Visheshya Sambandhan. What is that Visheshana Visheshya Sambandhana? Padarthayoho Sambandhahan. Relationship between the meanings of the words. Previously what we saw? Pada Sambandha. Tatpada and Tvampada Pada Sambandha. Now we are seeing Pada Artha Sambandha. Visheshana Visheshya means a specific relationship between Tvampada and Tatpada. Specific relationship between Tvampada and Tatpada. Visheshana Visheshya Bhava Sambandhatu. Samanadhikaranya Sambandha is like this, whatever I said. That is over. Now what do you mean by Visheshana Visheshya Sambandha? Yatha Tatra Eva Vakye. Tatra Eva Vakya means same Devadatta Vakyam you take now. Adi vidamantar. Okay. Same Devadatta Vakyam if you take, Sashabda Arthaha, that Saha Shabda Arthaha, Saha Devadattaha, that Saha word, that Artha is what? What it says, Saha Artha, Tatkala, that time in Artham. Tatkala Vishishta Devadattasya. That Devadatta is belong to that time. That time means you are negating what? This time. This time you are negating that time when you are talking. Ayam Shabdaha Arthaha Etat Kala. That koncha grammar irundha romba you can enjoy. I am this. When I talk this is indicating which time? Present, here, now, this. that past. Now the Kala Bheda. Devadatta, that Devadatta, this Devadatta, we were talking. Devadatta, he said, Vishishtam and person is same. Now he says Kala Bheda. He's talking about Kala Bheda. Tat gives a different meaning, time of different time. This gives a different time. That time and this time. That time and this time, etat kala vishishta devadattasya anyonya bheda vyavartakataya. Anyonya bheda vyavartakataya means by negating mutual difference. Anyonyam vyavartakam means by negating the mutual difference of that Devadatta and this Devadatta. Mutual mean between what and what? That Devadatta and this Devadatta. Vyavartakam means what? Negating. Negating mutual difference. There is no difference between that Devadatta and this Devadatta. So everything is same. That word only is difference. Anyonya vyavartakataya. Anyonya bheda vyavartakataya. Difference. Difference that I am Devadattaha, Saha Devadattaha, the difference is negated and artham. Is negated. Visheshana Vishesha Bhavaha. So Visheshyam is who? Noun. Visheshyam means what? Namavachikam. Who is that Visheshyam there? Devadattaha. What is Visheshanam? Saha and Ayam. About whom we are talking? I am talking about Devadatta. What type of Devadatta? That Devadatta. And this Devadatta. So, that Devadatta is a Visheshanam. This is the Visheshanam. Visheshana, both are different. Visheshanam is that cannot be this cannot be that. Yes or no? That cannot be this cannot be that. இது இந்த காலத்துக்கு சம்பந்தமானது அந்த காலத்துக்கு சம்பந்தமானது. விசேஷணம் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. விசேஷம் ஒண்ணுதான். விசேஷனாஸ் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கலாம். Yes, 1 month before 85 kgs person. After 1 month doing treadmill reduced 10 kgs. 85 to he came to 75 kgs. Ayyo 10 kg koranje poche enna. And the same person 1 month before 85 kgs person and after 1 month after doing treadmill 75 kgs. That is Visheshanam of 1 month before. 85 kgs Visheshanam. 85 kgs Devadatta, 75 kgs Devadatta, 1 month before or after 1 month. Devadatta is one and the same. But Visheshanam different. 85 kgs, 75 kgs, நிறைய difference இருக்கு. 10 kg difference இருக்கு. Visheshanam different இருக்கலாம். Difference இருக்கலாம். ஆனால் விசேஷம் தேவதத்தலோ டிஃபரன்ஸ் கிடையாது. சப்போஸ் யூ ரெடியூஸ் யுவர் வெயிட், பீப்புள் இன் யுவர் ஃபேமிலி ரெகக்னைஸ் ஆர் நாட். ஈவன் தோ யூ லுக் வெரி தின், they recognize you as same before. And the Visheshana is different, but Vishesham is one. Similarly, Visheshana, Visheshya, Bhavaha. One Visheshyam, two Visheshanams. Eka Vekti Bahupadani. Similarly, Tatha Atra Api Vakye. Even in this Mahavakyam also, Tatpadartha Parokshatvadi Vishishta Chaitanyam. Previous topic, what he says, Tatpada Tattvamasi Vakya api Parokshatvad Visishta Chaitanyam. Tat padam tattvamasi vakye parokshत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य वाचक तत्पदस्य त्वं पदस्य I said. So pada artham he says. That is the difference. He says parokshत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्यस्य तत्पद artha. There in the previous la artha kadiyadu. இப்போ இங்க artha இருக்கு. Meaning विशिष्ट चैतन्यस्य त्वं पदार्थ aparokshत्वादि विशिष्ट चैतन्य. This Devadatta, this tvam, you are evident to yourself or not? You are paroksham, you are parokshana not evident. தெரியாது. பரோக்ஷம் என்ன? அக்ஷ்ணஹா பரம் பரோக்ஷம், கண்ணுக்கு எட்டாதது பரோக்ஷம். அபரோக்ஷம் என்ன? இட் இஸ் நாட் ஃபார், இட் இஸ் ஹியர். அது அபரோக்ஷம். தத்து பரமாத்மா இஸ் பரோக்ஷம். அகம் ஜீவாத்மா இஸ் aparoksham. I am evident to myself. Paramatma is not evident. I am aparoksham to myself, but Paramatma is paroksham. I am aparoksham, our paroksham. That's why we never doubt ourselves. We doubt everyone, but we never doubt ourselves. அதனால அபரோக்ஷம். பரோக்ஷம் அபரோக்ஷம் விசேஷணம்ஸ். பரோக்ஷ பரமாத்மா, அபரோக்ஷ ஜீவாத்மா. பரோக்ஷ and aparoksha are visheshanams. This paroksha and pratyaksha or aparoksham belong to whom? Body upadhi. Ishvara upadhi, jiva upadhi. What is the tatparyam? Visheshyam is what? Chaitanyam Visheshyam. Here also Chaitanyam Visheshyam. So don't carry away by Visheshanams which are temporary. Which are temporary. Vishishta Chaitanyasya cha Tvampada Artha Aparokshatvadi Vishishta Chaitanyam. Idu Vishishta Chaitanyam da. Where is it? Vishishta Chaitanya means associated with the body, mind, sense, organs, buddhi, etc., etc. Etc., etc. Connected to the relations and all, Vishishtam. Confined in this body, confined in the house, this body. That Paramatma also confined in that body. Krishna Paramatma also confined where? Krishna Shariram. Rama also confined in where? Rama Shariram. Our Paramatma, Rama is Paramatma, Krishna is Paramatma, otherwise Krishna Paramatma. Even பேர் கிருஷ்ணர் தான். இங்கே லோக்கல் நம்ம வீட்டில் கிட்டு கிட்டு கூட கிருஷ்ண தான். ஆனால் பரமாத்மா கிருஷ்ணான்னு கூப்பிட மாட்டோம். வாடா போடான்னு சொல்லுவான் இல்லையா? இந்த கிருஷ்ணா இஸ் a different கிட்டு. Similarly, that Krishna is Paramatma Krishna. நம்ம வீட்டில் இருக்கிற கிருஷ்ணா ஜீவாத்மா கிருஷ்ணா, பேர் ஒண்ணுதான். But that Paramatma Krishna is total samashti. Number kittu is still he do not know what are the alphabets. No? Our Sarvajnaha, your Alpajnaha. But name is same. Visheshanams are different. So that's why that Krishna also, Jivatma Krishna, very Paramatma Krishna, very. But Atma, one and the same. Atma, one and the same. Problem என்னன்னா அது கண்ணுக்கு தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. Atma, I cannot see. Kittu, I can see. Krishna Paramatma, I can see in Guru Ayurappa. Balakrishna, I can see. Krishna Dwaraka, I can see. Big idol, everything. I can see Krishna, Bhagavan Krishna. Who is doing Namaskara? This Kittu. Kittu doing Namaskara to that Paramatma Krishna. But what is visible is because of that Chaitanyam. So Chaitanyam is important. This Jadam is, Kittu is Jadam. Really speaking, Kittu body is Jadam. Don't get doubt who is Kittu Anna. Kittu Anna, short form of Krishna. Okay. Kittappa ni kupiduvan. Kittappa anna Krishnappa ardham. Kittappa. So bodies are incidental. Names are incidental. But bodies and names are there because of Chaitanyam. So how to see that Chaitanyam? And the Chaitanyam you cannot see. How to see Akasha? Space can you see? In this hall, come on, all of us, let us see the space. It has no Rupam. How can you see space? Then how to know about this Akasha? Because you are sitting, You are sitting in this space, place. There is place. There is space. Edavali paaka mudiyuma? Edavali paakkanumana enna pannalam? Paaka mudiyadhu, therinjukka mudiyum. Eppadi therinjukka mudiyum? Na ukkaarndirukene. Allu na ukkaarndirukken. Adinal enna edavali theriyaradu. Edavali illenna nanu ukkara mudiyadhu. Adhe madri in the bodies all are there sentient because of this body only. That is why we say for Atma's manifestation upadhi is required. He is arupam. How can you recognize now that Atma? Through this body I recognize. Light helping to the electricity to manifest. Bulb illenna electricity paaka mudiyuma? Fan illenna electricity paaka mudiyuma? So if electricity, how you are recognizing? Through fan, through the light. So adhe madri idu or tube light nechukongale. In the tube light moolama, hand is moving, eyes are blinking, speech coming, all these activities Jadam cannot do, inert matter cannot do. That means this body is functioning means inge Atma irukenu purinjuko. Avladha. Ennadu? Chaitanyam. So therefore, everybody, in everybody, there is Chaitanyam manifesting. In everybody, that's why everybody enna artham theriyuma? Everybody is called everybody. Spelling is same. Really, this is really we have to thank this body. What? Oh body. I am the consciousness manifesting because of your blessing. Ani sollano. Sollalama illaya? Nandri kettavani aagakudadu. The bulb can thank electricity. Electricity can thank the bulb. Okay? Electricity can thank the fan. Similarly, Atma can thank. Aidi Paramatma or Jivatma. Aidi Atma, Parama Jiva remove. Aidi consciousness can thank this body. Kashtam Sukham, Ella Punakada Pavam. Padu Maname Padu enna. Manasukku Ahankara, Kopam, Tapam, Ella Yarkana. Okay. Exhaust ani idhula paakana vadambula. Idu very drama anna. Naan ஆத்மாவாக இருந்து அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற குழப்பங்கள் எல்லாமே குழப்பிஃபையல் எல்லாமே பார்க்கலாம், தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். இந்த உடம்பு இருந்தாலும் இல்லாட்டாலும் நான் இருப்பேன். இருந்தா நான் மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஆகுமே, இல்லைன்னா சும்மா இருப்பேன். ஆமா, எலக்ட்ரிக் பல்பு போனா என்ன, ஃபில்மெண்ட் போனா என்ன, எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டிக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம்? இருந்தா நான் மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் ஆக. எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி லூசிங் எனி திங். சப்போஸ் பல்ப் இஸ் நாட் மேனிஃபெஸ்டிங் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி, எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டிக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம்? நல்லா இருக்க எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. பல்ப் ஃபிலமெண்ட் கான், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம். பல்ப் தட் கிளாஸ் ஆல்சோ broken. ஓகே, இப்போ எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டிக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம்? ஐயோ பல்பு பல்பு பல்பு, யூ ஆர் நாட் தேர், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வில் நெவர் கம் அண்ட் கிரை. அதே மாதிரி இந்த மனசு, சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், ஸ்தூல சரீரம் போனாலும் கூட ஆத்மாக்கு என்ன நஷ்டம்? அதனால இந்த உடம்பு வரத்துல ஆத்மாக்கு பிரயோஜனமும் கிடையாது, போனா நஷ்டமும் கிடையாது. இருந்தா இரு, போனா போ. எவ்வளவு பெரிய விஷயம் இது. ஆத்மா ஸ்டாண்ட் பாயிண்ட்ல பேசினா அப்படி இல்ல. நான் மிசரபிள் பாடி மைண்ட்னு சொன்ன ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் லைக் அந்த யானை மண்ணு போட்டுன மாதிரி தலைமையில நம்ம கூட இந்த பாடி, ஜரா, வியாதி, ரோகம் எல்லாமே எனக்கு தான். அதுக்கு கனெக்டட் பீப்புள் எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம். பையனுக்கு அப்படி இருக்கு, பொண்ணுக்கு இப்படி இருக்கு, மாமியாருக்கு அப்படி இருக்கு, மாமனாருக்கு அப்படி. மாமனார் மாமியார் பையனு பொண்ணு உடம்பெல்லாம் என்ன பல்புல டிஃபெக்ட் இருக்கலாம் இல்லையா? சின்ன பல்பு பெரிய பல்பு எல்லாம் டிஃபெக்ட், டஸ்ட் தகராறு பண்ணும் நிறைய வாட்டி. அதே மாதிரி இந்த உபாதிలో ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஆர் கெலோர், அன்அவாய்டபிள், அன்பிரடிக்டபிள், அன்சேஞ்சபிள். யூ cannot change. You cannot predict what is going to happen to this body next moment. Not only that, you cannot predict what is going to happen to other people's or positions connected to this body also. If they are disturbed, I am also disturbed. ஒரு பல்லு வலி வந்தா whole body paining, aching என்ன, அவ்வளவுதான் பாடி நேச்சர். You cannot avoid these impurities at body level, even mind level, vasana level, all are there in the mind. மைண்டே பொய்யாகும் போது எனக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கட்டும் என்ன, அதனால மனசுல எல்லா குழப்பம் இருந்துட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ மனசு நீ தனியா பார், அவ்வளவுதான். தனியா எப்படி பார்க்கணும்? அது ஒரு இட் இஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் மீ. இந்த அட்வான்ஸ்டு டெக்ஸ்ட் சுரேஸ்வராச்சாரிய நைஷ்கிரம சித்தில இசேஸ், இந்த அஜ்ஞானம், இந்த மனசு எல்லாமே ஆத்மால தான் இருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலா தேர் ஆல் டிபெண்டிங் அப்பான் ஆத்மா. இன்னும் போகணும், அட்வான்ஸ்டா போகணும், அப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, இதுதான் விசேஷண விசேஷ்ய அந்யோன்ய பேத வியாவர்த்தகதையா. தெர் இஸ் நோ பேதம் இன் தத்பதா அண்ட் த்வம்பதா. விசேஷண விசேஷ்ய பாவஹா. திஸ் இஸ் விசேஷ்ய விசேஷண பாவா. விசேஷம் இஸ் ஒன், ஆத்மா விசேஷம் இஸ் ஒன். தத்பதா அண்ட் த்வம்பதா விசேஷணம்ஸ் ஆர் டிஃபரெண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக். Now lakshya lakshana sambandha, third relation. Lakshya lakshana sambandhastu yatha tatraiva sashabdayam shabdoyoho tadarthayohorvam விருத்த தத்காலம் ஏதத்காலம் விசிஷ்டத்வம் பரித்யாகேன விசிஷ்டத்வ பரித்யாகேன அவிருத்த தேவதத்தேன சஹ லக்ஷ்ய லக்ஷண பாவஹ ததா அத்ராபி வாக்யே தத்வம் பதயோஹ ததர்த்தயோர்வாம் விருத்த பரோக்ஷத்வ அபரோக்ஷத்வாதீம் விசிஷ்டத்வ பரித்யாகேன அவிருத்த சைதன்யேன சஹ Lakshya Lakshana Bhavaha. So Virodha, the difference is in 3 levels. Desha Virodha, Kala Virodha and Vastu Virodha. Here Guna Virodha. Natu Vastu Virodha, parantu Guna Virodha. Devadatta Tatkala Taddesha Tadgunana Yavvana Devadattaha. Etatkala Etaddesha Vruddha Devadattaha. Vruddha is the Gunam. No, old age is a tribute to that Devadatta. Young Yavvana Devadatta, that is Gunam. So Desha, Kala, Guna, Viruddham is there. Difference is there. Aviruddham where? In Devadatta. There is no difference in Devadatta. So Lakshya Lakshana Sambandhatu. Now you have to strip the superficial features. He says Lakshanams you have to give up. Lakshyam is what? What is your goal in Kekran Liya? Lakshyam is what? Lakshyam, this person introducing Yagnadatta, introducing Devadatta to Vishnadatta in Kumbhakonam. 60 years back, Devadatta introduced to Devadatta. Yagnadatta is not interested in Kumbhakonam. Yagnadatta is not interested in 60 years back time. That place, Kala, Gunas, he is not interested. He is interested in what? Devadatta person. Person is important. That is Lakshyam. And the Lakshyam Purnamanna and the Vishnu Datta can recognize Devadatta when? Not by seeing body. Not comparing the time, that time and this time. Not comparing that place and this place. That house they have demolished. 60 years back, old house. They have demolished. Now they are in flat system. Small flat. Desha, Kala, difference, all those things. Yagnadatta is interested in showing this Devadatta to Vishnadatta in what? Only the person. Not Guna, not Desha, not Kala. There is no Tatparya. Even Vishnadatta doesn't bother. Yagnadatta doesn't bother. Even Devadatta never bother. Person. Again Karachalanam. Shake hand. Or Alinganam. Oh, Nida and the Devadatta, his embrace. He never say, you are not that Devadatta. Lakshyam is Devadatta. Lakshanas are not. You have to strip off the Lakshanams. What Lakshanam here? Bhagatyaga Lakshanam. Appa, idhikku arrive pandradhukkaga ange Bhagatyaga Lakshanam introduce pandi. And then the examples solli. His author gives different examples. Gangayam Ghoshaha, Shono Dhavati, Jahal Lakshana, Ajahal Lakshana ki. This author gives Gangayam Ghoshaha means there is a village, Ghoshahanna Gramam, village on Ganga. Primary meaning is what? There is a village on Ganga. Ganga river mele village irukuma. Ganga Karayil. Appo and the vacuum you give up. Village on that Ganga river you give up. You take another meaning. Gangayam Ghoshahanna, a village in the banks of Ganga. Adik Jahati Lakshana. Give up primary meaning, take up secondary meaning. What about Ajahal Lakshana? Don't give up. Primary meaning also you take and secondary meaning also you take. What is that? Shono Dhavati. One person is telling white runs. Shonahanna white. Dhavati means running. The white runs. Anywhere white color runs? Have you seen white color running? White runs, suppose அந்த ஒயிட் ரன்ஸ் என்ன இங்க காமிச்ச ஒயிட் ரன்ஸ் என்ன அர்த்தம் பார்த்தல? இங்க காமிச்ச சும்மா இப்படி காமிச்ச கை பாருங்க, ஒயிட் வந்தாச்சு. ஒயிட் ரன்ஸ் என்ன? ஒயிட் இஸ் நாட் ரன்னிங், பேப்பர் இஸ் ரன்னிங். அது எப்படி வந்தோம்? இதுதான் பகவான் பிளெஸிங்ஸ் இருக்கேன்னு அர்த்தம் நமக்கு எல்லாருக்கும். ஒயிட் டிட் நாட் ரன், ஒயிட் பேப்பர் ரன்ஸ். How beautiful, no? You are all really not ordinary students. Okay. It's not my greatness, your greatness. White paper runs from இத்தனை நாள் விடவே இல்லை ஒரு பேப்பர் கூட. பார்த்தல? How many months, years they are there, no? Nearly first 1.5 years, 2 years they are there. ஒரு நாள் ஒரு பேப்பர் இங்க விழுந்ததா? அது என்னோட முன்னாடி ஏன் விழணும்? அங்க எங்கேயும் விடக்கூடாது. கரெக்டா கண்ணு முன்னாடி விழுந்தது. ஒயிட் பேப்பர் ரன்ஸ், ஸோ ஒயிட் கார் ரன்ஸ். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ரன்னிங் ஒயிட் cannot run. Primary meaning you take one thing from that. What? Paper. Runs annது not belong to the color. You add something else. Paper you add. White runs means what you add without giving up the primary meaning. And the running you take, and the white also you take without giving up primary meaning. You add what? Paper or car or horse. That's ajahal lakshana. இப்போ நமக்கு தத்துவமசி மகாவாக்கியம்ல ஜஹல் லக்ஷணா முடியாது, அஜஹல் லக்ஷணா முடியாது. ஜஹத் அஜஹல் லக்ஷணா, பாகத்யாக லக்ஷணா, அதுதான் லக்ஷணம். He says யதா தத்ரைவ சசப்தஸ்ய சசப்த அயம் சப்தயோஹ சஹ அயம் சப்தயோஹ தத் அர்த்தயோஹ. The meaning of that viruddha tatkala etatkala. What is viruddham? That time and this time are different. Viruddham tatkala etatkala viruddham Vishishtatva parityagena. Vishishta means what? That which differentiates, differentiating factor. What is differentiating factor? Tatkala, etatkala, Vishishta is the differentiating factor. You give up. Vidu. அந்த காலம்ல தேவதத்தா, இந்த காலம் தேவதத்தான்னு மனசுல வச்சுக்காதே, விடு. பரித்யாகேனா give up. Parityagena. Then what to take? Aviruddha devadatena saha. Who is not different. That devadatta pama kashtapattittu mahamanthukku vandita kashtapattittu Yagnadatta and Vishnadatta wrote a letter. You also come. Yagnadatta wrote a letter to Devadatta. Nee kuda varanu mahamanthukku vandita pama kashtapattittu Aviruddha Devadatta, who is non-different from that time. Difference is time, difference is there. Personal difference kadiyadu. Therefore, Aviruddha Tattvena, Aviruddha Devadattena saha lakshya lakshana bhavaha. So, one part of that you have to give up primary meaning, second part you take. Okay, Devadatta you take. Tatkala, etatkala, give up. So, Jahat and Ajahat. Devadattan vidade. Time vid. Okay? And the guna also vid. Then Desha also forget about it. Same place you are not meeting, different place you are meeting. You need not meet in the same place. So, Desha also different, time also different, all of them, guna also different, give up them, but you take lakshyam. Lakshya you take by bhagatyaga lakshana. Oru bhaga lakshanana tyagam panni, oru bhaga lakshanatha eduthindi, and you have to Devadatta, nama, rupa, person you take. What is the lakshyam? Devadatta person. Adhe madri saha lakshya lakshana bhavaha तथा अत्रापि here also वाक्ये तत्वं पदयोः तदर्थयोर्वा you take the word padam and artham meaning viruddha parokshатва aparokshатвади. What is viruddham in Paramatma and Jivatma? Our paroksham, non aparoksham. Is viruddhama illaya? Difference is there. Our indirect, I am directly experiencing myself. I am indirectly listening about Paramatma. Parokshatva, aparokshatva, viruddhattvadi, visishtatva. These are the visishta means what? Differentiating factors. Visishtattvadi parityagena. Give up that parityagam pannu. Aviruddha chaitanyena. Avaru chaitanyam, nanu chaitanyam. This is the undifferentiating factor. Saha, along with that chaitanyam and this chaitanyam, lakshya lakshana bhavaha. This is that lakshya lakshana bhavaha means you are looking at that lakshyam, that atma swarupam, bhagatyaga lakshanaya. Iyameva bhagalakshana ityuchyate अस्मिन् वाक्ये नीलमुत्पलमिति वाक्यवत् वाक्यार्थः न संगच्छते. Author has completed this alone is Bhagatyaga Lakshana. What we did, Devadatta example Tattvamasi and Dashtantala Pannitam. This is the Bhagatyaga Lakshana. Now Purvapakshi comes, opponist. What he comes and says, what you are talking this Bhagatyaga Lakshana, it won't work in this Nilotpalam. Nilotpalam is blue lotus. Blue lotus irukku, adilo inda lakshanam ella nadakuma Bhagatyaga Lakshanam ani ketar. Bhagatyaga Lakshanam varadu, adilo Samaradhikaranyam Visheshana Vishesha Sambandanda varum, Bhagatyaga Lakshanam varadu. Three types of relations. First type of relation, second type of relation can come in Nila Utpalam. Third type of relation cannot come. That he is going to give the answer. We will see that in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.